Hello, today I'm working on a friend's pressure washer, and I just thought I'd mention to those out there that think 3D printing is nothing more than trinkets and gadgets to put on your desk or to make action figures. Well, I didn't have a proper sized ring clamp for their band clamp for the compression rings on this engine I'm rebuilding. So 5 minutes in Shaper 3D and have a very usable ring compression clamp. Saved me some money, saved me some time. I'll show you how it works. So I've got the piston set inside. It's ready to tap down. I'm just going to use the back end of this wooden mallet or hammer to set the piston. Hopefully I don't drop the engine. There you go. Piston installed, no damage to the rings. Perfect fit. Thanks for watching.